What's up, guys? Today's vlog is your boy Alex Mackenzie. So I'm turning 7. It's March 31. What 31? 21. So guys, I am a baconer here. So guys, hey, come here, guys. It's for sale, guys. It's for sale. Because you're Enrique. I said you are, guys, Enrique. Leonele Cactusele. No, mayos potisitos. Chip. Oh. Guys, W Fulton and subscribe to Fulton so he can reach 1 million subscribers. Fulton on top, Fulton family on top. Guys, you need to subscribe to me and Fulton because I love Fulton so much. I love his video. And I want to rate it to infinite out of 10. Yeah, Enrique. Who are you? Oh, I thought this was Keles. Keles, if you are I cannot speak English because I live in Philippines. Enrique, in Philippines, Enrique. Keles, you are Keles on low. On down because I love Fulton much more, and Cash you too, YouTuber Cash who makes Minecraft video, but a little bit. So guys, if you want some eggs, just subscribe. And Fulton, you are free, but I don't know your name in Roblox, so just comment in your profile in the comment below and subscribe more, guys. Who are you? You copycat, get out. Oh my god, we are playing, you are get out. Ha. So guys, it's 3 minutes, it's over 3 minutes. So my best bring up is this Mateo, your bebe. This is win.